enter here, there's a little bench right there. There's a closet here, has the bedding for the pull-out couch, and the safe is in this closet. There's a ton of closets in this place. It's a nice mirror there. The stairs to the upstairs loft bedrooms, right here to the left. This is the living room area, the fireplace, the TV. It's gotten here a little while ago. That couch pulls out. Then over here behind the couch is the dining room table. These really big chairs, they're almost too big. There is the balcony. I'll try to get a better shot of the balcony. It's absolutely covered in spiders, so we're gonna have them do something about that tomorrow. But the furniture's really nice. Everything's really nice and clean. That's the lock off. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you turn to the right here and you can see the kitchen. I'm not sure why there's only one stool. I think there'd be two. Everything's nice and clean and seems really new. So it's a really nice, spacious, well done kitchen. And I guess if you get the 2-bedroom lock off, just the 2-bedroom loft, you don't get this lock off, so this door would be shut. This is the door into the 1-bedroom lock off section. So you walk in and there's this little hallway. I guess that is the outside door to the hall from this section. This would be, I guess, considered like a studio maybe, or a 1-bedroom. It doesn't have any kitchen in it, but it does have a full bath in the hallway here, regular sized bath. Walk down this way and there is a door to the bedroom. That was something I wasn't sure it would have. And then this is a king size bed. You find the light. This is a king size bed. But we do have a chair in here. I thought we didn't have a chair in here. Oh wow, there's this whole other closet here. So I guess if you have ski gear, you could keep the ski stuff in the hallway. We're here in June, so that's a nice closet. There's a full dresser there. I really like the bedside things. We haven't unpacked our stuff yet. It would be better to do this during the day, but nice, there's nice drawers. So then you go out, and then now we'll go. This is the view from the lock off into the living area. And then these are the stairs that go up. Weird platform here. I'm not sure what that's about. That's down the stairs. At the top of the stairs is this nice sitting area. I guess there's no light here. That's kind of weird. Nice. So this is up in the loft looking down. Giant weird closet. There's a ton of like empty hallway and closet space. I wish the bedrooms and bathrooms were a little bit bigger. Left here is a bedroom with 2 twins. Another closet. This has just the one bedside thing with the drawers. So not quite enough room. It's a little tight. This is a really nice dresser and TV. It's a little tight between the dresser and the beds. There's like a hall bath here across the hall. It's nice. It's a nice bathroom, full bath. There is another closet here. There is another bedroom here with 2 fulls. This room, we enter this room, it has an attached bath here, full bathroom. There's 2 small closets here. There's 2 full beds in this room. It's a little dark in here. Over here in the corner is a really nice sitting area. It's a slanted wall with the loft. I wanted to point out, because lots of people complained about this, that it does have a shade, which is really nice for morning sun. There's the TV in the dresser. So they came and got rid of the spiders already. Very happy with this. There's only 2 chairs. We're gonna get some camping chairs. We can all sit out here together. There's a fountain here. The fire pit over there that you can see in the distance. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised now that the spiders are gone with the size of the balcony. I'm hoping we can, could definitely fit 4 people. We have 6. And they're not as private.